My honest MacBook Air review. So I have purchased this MacBook Air 8 months back, and I waited 8 months to test and see how it works, and thought of making a video finally after 8 months. First thing, like, is it really worthy? In general, MacBook Pro is something which is a very popular Apple laptop that most of the people use, and MacBook Air is a lighter version of MacBook Pro which has similar features. It comes up with M1 chip. So M1 chip is like highly advanced processor. It is very powerful and it is very fast, and that's the reason why M1 chip or M1 processor is very popular. So what I felt after using 8 months of this MacBook Air is like, the first thing, like, I need a high-end laptop because I use multiple tabs at a time while browsing. So I literally open 20 to 30 tabs at a time. So I need a laptop which cannot hang or which cannot slow down because of that. And the other thing is, sometimes I often edit videos on laptop, so I need that. I design few things on my laptop, so I also need a processor which is very fast, because otherwise video editing and graphic design are impossible. And sometimes I often write some code, so I might need a laptop which supports all those things. So I need graphics as well. I also write contents. I need a laptop which can provide a smooth experience. So if you can ask me whether I am satisfied with this or not, I am extremely satisfied. It is very fast. So during my 8 months, like, it never slowed down. So like whatever the task that I was doing, like, it supported me well. See, I literally suggest you to go with this one without a doubt, because it's very cheap when compared to other MacBooks. So I bought it at a range of 95,000, but I think it is currently at 85 to 86,000 range. And whenever you're watching this video, there are chances like it might still go down. So you can find the link in the description and comment section. And like, my variant is like, I bought an 8GB one, so because like I use another laptop too, so this is just for my personal work. So 8GB is doing well for me. But yeah, if you can afford 16GB, you can also do that. And it's come with 8GB, 256GB, which is very decent for me. The processor thing is important, as it is coming up with M1 processor. The speed of this laptop is light. That is something which impressed me a lot. And the weight, like, it is lightweight. Like, it's just a 14-inch laptop. It is lightweight and it is easy to carry anywhere. So even if you are in a restaurant, or even if you are in a cave, you can still carry that and do your work. This is something that I liked about it. And I used Windows a lot, so this is my first experience of using a Mac OS, but I felt very satisfied. I felt very easy to use it. If you're a student or a freelancer or graphic designer or video editor, whoever it might be, if you want to go for a high-end laptop and you don't want to spend more than lakh or something, I suggest this is a best thing to go for. Again, like, you will find the links in the comments and description. I hope you get enough information about this product, and thank you for watching.